saying that Mackadiamond, the artist, was saying,
Bunny him. Take man from him. Take the car around house and run him. Pay me 3 blase $300 2020 for class R.
Alright, so how much time you got?
Jesus Christ,
RT.
So your body
RT boss.
Come here. Me don't know if RT do that, but I know say people pay me for cuss them though. Yeah, tell you, people pay me for cuss them. I want to say, boy,
boss never pay nobody
Mackadiamond pay me for cuss her. Mackadiamond pay me for cuss her. Yeah, Mackadiamond. What do you know?
What you just said?
Cheese, what you know this saga screen record? Cheese, you know say this saga screen recorded now. Sexy Ray now.
I'm a page. What you mean?
Hold on, people, hold on.
Sexy Ray run go with this show, brother.
Cheese, Mackadiamond pay you for cusser?
You deaf?
Cheese, this is court case.
I swear that 5 kids' life. Mackadiamond pay me.
Sexy Ray.
Class up her blood clot.
Yeah.
Are you mad?
So real.
So real to blow.
Huh? Fresh drop.
No,
this is a fresh drop.
But
fresh
Mackadiamond. Listen, me not say RT boss do it, but I'm telling you, I got paid.
Well, my boss never did that, but guess what? The court case will prevail. Listen, so you're saying that Mackadiamond, the artist, was saying,
Bunny him. Take man from him. Take the car around house and run him. Pay me 3 blase $300 2020 for class R. This time I was in Jamaica.
Jesus Christ.
Man. Hold on, me write this down.
Live now.
Fried rice and pork.
No lie, Mackadiamond them no relevant, so them have to pay for blood clot relevant.
$300.
Them tell me they make money like dog.
Class R 2020.
If you like a joke when they tell me that people pay for cuss people.
Huh?
People pay me for cuss themselves, I swear to God. No lie.
So Prettiidon, you know how Prettiidon sit down and beat people and cuss people?
Yeah.
Prettiidon is saying that I pay RT has him do enough for Prettiidon, send him money and everything when him hungry and one bag of soap my ray. But Prettiidon has said the money where RT send her if it cost him. Which one?
RT pay Prettiidon for cuss him hour.
To get views, for him popular and get views. That's what Prettiidon said.
Yeah.
And RT said his lie. Him feed Prettiidon. When Prettiidon did broke on money, he feed Prettiidon and him have the screenshot them and this proof.
Alright.
Me not care me look, me ever have money. Something with me.
And that's it. So further when the court case are going, we will know what come.
Well?
Yeah. Because one is saying is lie, but I've seen some screen recordings and we're going to post them and stuff. And guys,
when are the court tomorrow night?
I have not tried to ask you now. Cause I remember say you run from the not nice case. Me understand. Ivany, you have to understand.
I can't lose.
Me not run from it, but then I'm a friend, so me I go for done.
Yeah, but you have to have proof because RT have to improve. Say him feed Prettiidon. Him never pay her for class him. But that's what Prettiidon is saying.
Say him have receipt. So if Dan have receipt, then have to just line up the receipt them and then give him liar
to Ivany.
Him say him liar have the receipt them for sure. As so the case go. And boom, we take it from there, so.
Me go find out who.
I mean, I really have no case neither because me not really have no case neither.
What you mean?
The receipt you attack, Ivany.
You have to have
Ivany,
receipt. How you gonna prove?
Stop one lie, Donna tell. Donna if you just blood clot, me say a lie, they tell you just cause you can't take
No,
up your mouth.
listen, if Dana
If
tell
RT
lie,
bring him proof.
listen
Yeah.
this is a court case you cute to say. Listen.
Yeah. When you have to do Ivany, you have to ask Prettiidon for receipt. Yeah, hold on.
Oh, Donna my friend, me we text Dan.
It's a class RT, you know.
One boss. Big up yourself,
So
boss.
listen,
Yeah.
text Dan, link your client, get all of the information from your client, and then carry everything come a court and switch it out. Me be the prosecutor.
So RT, Ivany is going to represent Prettiidon. And we want to know who, if you're going to represent yourself or you need a lawyer.
You cannot represent yourself. If I
Yeah, you can represent
yourself,
yourself.
yeah, if I represent
Nobody
yourself, you
can
lose your
listen to me.
case.
Make Milo be RT
No,
boss.
man.
Me
I'm
no want
liar.
nobody
No,
represent
you can
me, that
represent
me
yourself.
Blood clot represent me blood clot.
Make Milo be
That's
the
all.
liar for RT.
No man, I can represent myself, man. Because I can represent because
Thank
the
you,
case
Rich.
win already. The topic of the case is Prettiidon come out cuss everybody, and she's trying to say that she a cuss RT like everybody else, and RT I said, bitch, you can't cuss me because remember say one time you couldn't get fat and them obia you come to me and ask me for my soap and ask me for help you and ask me for feed you. Everything is evidence, just like me and the first person did fall out. I'm come with my receipt. Me always have my receipt. So the bottom line is when me want the people to know that like this, me never this Prettiidon just enough and just go on like she a blood clots, madam. I'm tired of her. Me used to tell Prettiidon for cuss me. If the people them watch me all the while, me always tell Prettiidon. Who remember when Prettiidon a friend, me tell her cuss me not a problem cussing me. Cause that she do. But you know, she does get too much now. I put her in her place. Prettiidon know me have her file. Me have her woman file. Me have her mama file. Prettiidon a woman feed. Prettiidon a woman help. Me bring her soap. Me walk over her for her. Me help her with her green card. Me take the dopey out her belly. Like, come on. No file not there, so be.
Ivany, you sure you're ready for
It's
this?
a clap. I think Vanny to take on this one.
Exactly.
And circuit this, you know.
Gather, mother, gather.
Ivany,
Mama,
you
I tell
sure
you
say ready?
honestly, I love you everything. Leave that one and make somebody else deal
Yeah,
with it.
big league. It's a big league.
No, the blood class social media. What kind of social media jam for big army?
Alright.
She can't be
Alright,
reading.
Mama. Alright, take it on. Wow, with the road.
See them-
See them for the
Take it
receipt
down.
that
Can't see
come out.
no. You can't see, come, can't see. No, no, we can't
Bring
see.
her move the 21 and over. It a block it. She can't see.
May I put him in a big box?
It is
Alright.
fine. You can't see it neither. It's fine.
I can't see it, but may I put him in a big box and see?
Our receipt come out already.
I can't see
Bumbo
now.
clot to pussy bumbo blood
Yeah.
pussy ass clot. Murder! Who
Alright,
get
so
that?
RT show one
Listen,
receipt.
tag down in this. Me can't see
Yeah.
it now.
Listen, guys, I want to read this. What this says.
Me can't. It's a this.
No, I can read it.
Bring
So
her.
this is from Venice S. Parks. I think that's Prettiidon's name. So
Yes, correct.
it says they were begging. They need it so bad. Me can say me get a reading from you will change my life. The obia did that on me, not mommy. The wicked girl put it in my belly. Me
Wait, the
couldn't
bumbo
get fat.
pussy clot this.
Spit every
The
second.
blood clot this.
Yes,
Look
I
at
did
the
go to
camera.
jail 1 year later after the reading.
Do this.
For my bad temper, as you said. I don't think you remember what I'm talking about. But yeah, when you said going to jail for weed, I did get caught with the same girl and her brother and friends in a car with weed. So guys, this is one of the receipts where Prettiidon tell RT boss that the reading that RT gave her changed her life.
And the fans them who are listening at the courthouse, them can witness to it because they remember when she got prison. Remember when I come on live and tell her, say, hey, be careful you got prison, she tell me go suck my mama and cut me off. And then a year after she got prison. Enough I want to witness that. So you see
Yeah.
when the truth is the truth and to seizures.
True.
The Dan link me, I'm go get my receipt them.
All right. So
Me and Dan a
Ivany,
text right now.
just tell me when you're ready, Ivany, which day, tomorrow or Thursday, whenever.
No, man, deal with it right now. Don't stop.
No, we can't deal with it right now, cheese. I know so this go. No, we have to advertise it.
Yeah?
Yeah, a big court, this a Supreme
A
Court.
big goal receive job, brother. Guys, you know, full up this alive goal, you're cute. Guys, you know, give me 3
Prettiidon do
minutes.
the
And the court
marriage
have
and
to
he
go
will not
on.
go
Maybe
into
try
chat
drop some
corporate.
card this
Listen to
week.
me,
You
everybody.
want to
Prettiidon
sleep
do the
and don't
marriage.
forget about
Cheers.
this. Yeah.
Prettiidon do the marriage and him fuck up everything. I'm a fly guy Miami. Fly guy Miami go meet with her when she a world attack. Pay for the green card. Pay for the green card, that 1,500 and me give her. That's why I don't look with people, you know. I don't know, I always
Yeah,
draw
yo.
crosses. Me give her $1,500 for the green card. If you read me, if me can send more receipt where she tell me thanks for the money, me go as far as to tell her, say, me not stop her from cuss me because I know that you do. Cuss me, cuss anybody. But the end of the day is for me know say you do it for your work. Me can't hate you. You see me? The bottom line is, you know, me not hate Prettiidon no, but bottom line is she a cuss me and me I say to her, I say, you can't take time now, man. It look too real, man. It look too real. And then she a come this me, I say, blood clot, she forgot to me help her. But one thing I can tell you, no, me not like,
Listen, we can do like donut them to blood clot.
but one thing I can tell you,
Let me hear what
I
RT
her blood
yesterday.
clot makes
You
she
what?
become crushed. She can better than who she is.
No, when you
That's
say
the
RT,
only
repeat.
That's the only girl in my entire life in a social media, I swear upon my 4 kids them that me ever put witchcraft on me say nothing going away in life. Can't move, can't get better. Because her behavior and her character, she too much man, me that for science her. That's the only person in the media. She will never prosper.
So
She
wait
will
there.
always look like a rubbish bagger.
So what you're saying, you're telling the people that you obey her?
Me nah hide that she's the only person me swear upon my 4 kids. The only 4 kids me have. Listen, me not tell lie, you know. Me bluntly, you know, me straight up, you know, and the people can't like me, you know, because me too straight up. So I just it is. Of course, me have to by Prettiidon. Prettiidon have a nasty mouth and a nasty behavior. So me have to put her in a cruff line, meaning she can't better. No matter what she do, she can prosper, she can look better, she can recover, she can rise. She always look like a mad woman, look ready for go in a rubbish pan. And I did tell her because she dissed me. Nobody diss me and get me. You see, if you diss me, 2 things. Let me say something upon the live. You see, if you diss me, there are 2 things you get. Either you can't move or you end up in a hospital and get a cut on your chest. I'm a spiritual man. Let me repeat it again. If you diss me, you end up in a hospital and you get a bus from down on your throat come right down. I'm a spiritual man. Don't fuck with me.
Doogle.
Jesus, guys, put
One not tell me for real. For my granny was the biggest sober woman in a St. Mary in a blood.
Mighty God.
guys, put
Jaja.
guys, come on. All right, guys, I have to pay for Royalton.
That's what I love.
Guys, put gift. I have to pay for Royalton Hotel, please. So look here, RT, are you available? Ivany.
What are we, Ivany, in our new relationship with a new man?
Yes,
God,
Yes, I know.
What I like this new man,
one.
Ivany. The people are gonna like him when him come. I like him. He's more humble.
I kind of crushing on me. No, but I say.
A new man, him humble. I like him. But you like light skin man. You like light skin man.
Hold on. How the hell
Yeah,
you know I got-
for a long time.
Hold on.
Like she like light skin man. She not like black.
For a long time, she like browning.
Wait.
God.
Mighty God, this need fried rice and pork.
Rice and pork.
So real, so real.
All right,
It's
so
so
guys,
real.
Blood clot.
all right,
Mama.
people, listen. Ivany, you need a day to get your evidence from Prettiidon or what?
Are you here for her?
Let me hear what Dan said first.
Yeah. Tell
You
me
will
how you need
dance
to make
first.
a date.
RT, pay me $2,000 and $3,000 for sending me.
Hold on.
I think so. You give me money, you never give me them the big bumbo clock money there yet, brother.
Yeah, me not give her so much money. Me have a limit. Me not give them the big money there. 5,000 a me limit.
Talk to him for the vlogger too. If you bring him down and cuss him like a dog, I know me hate him from the spice time. RT, I mean, in a not nonsense till RT send money to blood clot cash up. Coming out war with no batty boy for free, me G. My book is not for free. You see me?
All right.
What proof?
Send me money like we normally do. He go suck him mother and down blood clot call me name. Oh, Duppy. I got the bottom man man they pay me $2,000 for write all of them message there. You hear me? I tell you 2,000 US. And then give blood clot. World Dog 5 grand for start act like him and for make him think get tough. McCarthy go suck him, madam, all the money.
Alright, let me reframe that. So question now. Every day Prettiidon cuss and say she run for her show and things so forth. So me would I really pay Prettiidon for beat me. So that mean everybody pay Prettiidon for beat. Prettiidon, yeah, try look at Ivy come back and all flap yourself. When you are telling people them say me pay $10,000 for beat me, for me be relevant. You know say yeah idiot. Remember people them know say me I'm my own cloud chase. I'm look that blood clot like come here look it tonight right in front of Ivany and bling. What the fuck you feel like, you? Me look my own cloud, but chase it myself. Everybody know me run from my own hype. So don't tell a lie. Me not pay no money, bitch. Me only save your hungry, licky blood clot because you say your mama stop get food stamp. So me just decide to help you, bitch. The bottom line is what I want the people them know. You see, World Dog, let me tell you what it go down. I'm going to story, girl. 1 minute and the Cked court case. Listen to this Ivany when he talks.
World Dog was a Batman.
I'm not going at that with the R yet. The reason why she a World Dog don't deal a $6,000 cost it. Me can't say me have to release that next. I give.
Me can't. This have a slip from my court. Me can't show up my thing them.
We see you can't show nothing, don't show nothing.
$6,000 make she a World Dog.
Yeah,
And it me have the receipt out there. You can see it from my wall. $6,000 make she a World Dog not on friend until today. You know why she a World Dog not on friend too? Because Nicki Minaj. What kind of man? To Nicki Minaj go up on World Dog. Right. That's what she begs about.
Yeah.
Bling.
Yeah.
Where more you understand, right? You see the beating people and all of them something where she do a
No
meet.
man, listen, come here.
Me tell Prettiidon to go beat people and bring them down because you're a rubbish bin. So rubbish bin need to just open wide and stink. And people will like you. And then she decides, alright, me I go out there and talk up the things and get stink. Whatever Prettiidon I do right now, my advice, I elevate people and encourage them for the best. Me's not a bad mind you. Same thing with World Dog. Me encourage World Dog and say, you can't go do local reading, man, and go like me and so forth and so forth. You see me I say? So it's all about advising.
Any message you have, any voice note, anything, screen record,
no work.
send me, come I go defend in a courthouse tomorrow.
They can't have no up on me, Ivany.
Screen record.
The only thing she can't have for me, I get you. No, man, listen, one thing with me, I'm a celebrity.
Man, sis, God, you know me here and the badness in there. If I no money, we not talk, bro. I want this some pussy. After the night, you have to pay for that boy. I want to. When they said that squeeze me in a topic, them I want at $2,000 that I want to.
Bitch, the little idiot girl just get at what they me and bling and run the blood clot place. Me and bling pull up and me run the big blood clot and the girl just a come back. Little girl, you just a come back. People just a remember you.
Like the song.
No,
Yeah,
man,
come
that
talk
had long time from Facebook. I come, me never hear that flop yet for true.
Yeah, man,
People
that
are
at
big
long
man,
time.
Dan at,
No
yeah.
cap.
People in the comment section, I like me, be
Listen
true.
to me.
You ever hear
Dan,
that flop?
listen, Dan,
Yes
yes,
or
about
no?
last year. What the fuck would they did there when time nobody
No,
talk about that?
cause
When World Dog and switch seat
Instagram
and
get slower.
No, me not talk about them, man, but me
No,
never.
man,
that-
and everybody
you
like
know,
over
that
here, no, and
Instagram
everybody
just
like
knows
over
that
here.
I tear up over Facebook with too much 5K and how much views over Facebook for real.
When me and Miss
Actually-
Bling and
We might not
Cked,
see him in. Me not have Facebook in the RT, me not have Facebook. Me only we see like screen record. You see screen record them that I tear up over Facebook, back to back.
Ivany, when me and Miss
Which me
Bling
always
and
hear
tear
about
up,
you to cause you ever
when-
in if passa
when me and Miss Bling and tear
on
down,
YouTube.
when me and Miss Bling and tear down the place with the code
Bling
case, but
always
never
have
hear
to
about
choose.
it.
So you all don't have nothing to go on. All don't have nothing to go on.
No, but the thing is, when we want people them know,
On the power there with your
against
queen.
Prettiidon, you know.
You would there run what they
Me not have nothing against Prettiidon, you know.
interview.
Listen, Your Honor, I don't have anything against your client. Your client more bad. And me even tell your client that she me not a problem, she cuss me. Because me used to tell her, help on my life, me tell her go and go cuss me. She come on my life right now. I say, brother, come off go cuss me now, man. Me like when you cuss me. But the thing about Prettiidon, yeah, me tell her for cuss me, yeah. No, me I say tap. Blood clot. Tap.
150, so tomorrow I'm sending it.
Live, we can't. Hey! Wait! The virus, Archie, the virus.
Then it has to be money, free money. I give it. Me
Papa
say,
Clot, one band. Your attorney is the sensation.
let it loose, play it.
The court is good and girl. You know, pussy test. Archie, more.
Play it.
Archie, me I got angry. Make sure you have your yeah.
Van, you can't anger Artie, no, cause remember, I'm just telling you about your look new man, you can't do that,
You
Van, you
can't tell me
forgot
about a
easy.
new man. I will artist
Vani.
live. I mean, I'm a man upon
Vani.
live. One look boy, I look me. One look English boy. I talk pounds. Me I
No,
try to
honestly,
think.
I'm not feel no way still. Me not really watch TikTok. Me watch YouTube. But listen though, Ivany.
Screen record me and put my YouTube.
The voice note where you get a money to talk about, you know. If Prettiidon send you 5 more voice notes to talk about money, me know the fuck are hungry. All I do is price people with money. She will never send a voice note and say nothing bad about the queen of dancehall or nobody, because we not talk about them something there. We only talk about go and go make your money.
How we know the money is not for you to pay to cuss? For them to cuss.
So, with that, I'm going to ask you a question now. So, if Dan pay, if I have to pay Dan for... So, I'm going to ask you a question. I'm going to answer this. Do you people really honest that me have to pay Dan for... Cause me, when me bigger than Dan, when you talk about Spice, you talk about me. When you talk about Obia, you talk about IT. So why the fuck me want?
To be honest, you might bigger than that in a real life, but on
No,
social
real, no, but I would not
people
do
don't
that.
really see that
I
you
say
are
you
bigger
do
than
it
that.
in
Hey,
the
Ivany.
people do it.
He's a good attorney of blood clot.
But look. Yeah, let me tell you something. It can go both ways, you know. Me can bigger than cheese in the media, but nobody no remember me, and cheese will just come out. Everybody know cheese, so I have to pay cheese to come back in the spotlight.
Listen,
So you might
nobody,
bigger than
listen,
that,
no,
everybody know,
me not
but
gonna
nobody
agree.
remember you,
All
so
right,
you have
Your
to
Honor,
pay your way to come back in.
Just like how Mackadiamond pay me
Objection.
300 US to cuss her keep her blood clot trending.
Alright. You hear that, RT? Mackadiamond pay cheese $300 US. Mackadiamond.
Macka to me
Yeah, but
cheated.
listen,
Macka,
I'm a man like this.
tell me say you not pay me.
And if you
Make
want
a
to
drop
pay
the
me,
blood. Me have
me
a Jamaica phone,
I'm
Macka.
not gonna say me not get money, but me not pay for nothing. Me
Me
not
have
pay
a
for
Jamaica phone for you. I see a WhatsApp me have. Me have a Jamaica phone.
They pay for the cloud.
But the thing about it is, you know what's with the client? The client decides, say, she feel like she can step on every toe. The thing about it is, you know, how it reach right here, so still, you know, me have a whole heap of
And the
files.
thing again, Prettiidon can do ask RT-boss for money, you know, for food. I know RT-boss have money saying can want scam RT. If me know you have money, me gonna come tell
Nobody
me.
no can scam. You can't scam. If I scam, I say scam him a liar because you
No,
can't
I'm
scam
just
RT.
meaning not
RT
even want to
scam
put
kind.
it here, but because he knows you have money, in just tell you to get your money.
2022, and me keep Camille birthday.
Like how
Me
I tell a man say,
keep
give me
Camille
money and me can
birthday.
get back your paycheck. If you can't get back your
2023
paycheck,
Camille
give me the money and me
breed.
gone.
And I me pay the
Pay the
$750
vice
for dash for the
crazy,
belly.
they can't pay
I wonder if you
nothing.
hear me. 2022 Camille breed pana when Camille move out and she call me a stress and a ball and $750 me pay Camille for the dash for the belly. And I have that receipt. Miss Bling, you want to play that now while you're wait for Miss Bling, you play the voice note now while you wait for the court case when I send you.
Lord God, my eyes.
I can play it now if you want.
This is bigger than me,
Or I
RT.
think I should play it. Send it to me, I can play
If
it.
you play it now, you're not going to have no court case.
No,
Let me tell you
I'll
something.
play it in the
Me a
court
man
case.
to me word.
Oh, this court case is big. My God.
No, sir. No, sir.
Jesus.
This is a big court case.
Jesus.
Murder.
Got you.
Guys, support Bling
Listen to
Alive
me, people.
Goals.
Let me say something to you.
Fear
You
cut
girl,
big girl.
our woman run left go West Palm Beach. What's some white man in the yard where she feel like them did there, but them say a friend. After that, she did it because them couldn't agree because them always a war. I'm a caller, me a counselor. Me a informer, no. Once I this, me a go talk. So me did me a counselor. Till me find out now, she make me know say war probably make she run go over the man got stay because she did pregnant.
If RT
and know
cut long.
Ivany, why you talk about RT cocky?
Because me get it in
You
a
know, when the show go start, when the show go start,
We get RT cocky?
Yeah.
yeah, because we need some random people to
Send
come
it
up
to
and
me now.
talk and judge and elaborate.
It big now,
no,
maybe
when
have to have
we
this
must start the court
thing.
case tomorrow
Sure.
or Thursday.
We have them RT, they're coming in.
Alright, no. Bumbo clat. The girl have something for me. Bumbo
So RT, how Prettiidon get your penis?
Long story, and I penis him have. I know say she get it. I know so how it sound.
Cats out the
The
bag,
blood
cats out the
clot
bag.
is.
Cats out the bag, cats out the bag.
Let me have done lying.
Cats out the bag, cats
But
out
a
the
true
bag.
Ella, we've been
Make sure I
waiting
got
forever.
someone
We are
got
with
out.
forever.
This is girly.
Alright, listen me bling. Bling. Put off the court case still when we get it out.
And we,
Thank
you.
Put that. No, Ivany.
Oh, you want to get your evidence? Okay.
Ivany. Make we work for more information.
All
Make
right.
we get more. Put off the court case.
So how does what about guys?
See.
All right. So how much time you can start?
Jesus Christ,
Auntie.
So your body
Auntie, boss. This case, we have to have this case. So tell me what time works for you. How long you need? A week?
But child, the
Yeah,
teacher
Yeah,
will
I've been
tell
seeing
you
people that just
RT.
a liar to
Ivany.
blinger.
Ivany. Ivany, is a hotel picture, right?
We are done with you for $1 million.
Ivany, is that a hotel picture?
I can't say.
All right.
Oh.
How much
I can't
time
say.
you need, RT? How much time you think you need? You need
Alright,
a week?
bling. Alright, me have to confess. There was
Good night.
I remember that. Alright.
Okay.
So apparently me and I did cool one at a time. Wherein me did have sex with one girl and
RT, listen. I'm going to give you 1 week. How about that? I don't want to say anything else.
The
1
bongo
week.
clot is.
You need some time. You need
So let us take picture of cocky. Then you have
Remember, cheese are the prosecutor.
because I don't want to
Big case.
incriminate
That's what
myself.
I'm saying. Just don't say anything.
Ivany,
1 week.
Tell us you're gonna need
That
a
is
liar.
too
1 week
long.
too long.
Ivany, tell me where me in at. Tell me what. Show
No,
me, give me
I
an
can't
idea.
say. I have to wait
RT,
until the court. I can't
Then
say about
gone
my
way
client.
back far, you know. So you need to go way back too. So how much time do you need to bring forth your evidence?
I can't say anything about my
Alright,
client
listen,
right now.
because alright, I don't want a court case there to leak my up. I don't want to cause a scandal in my marriage because I don't want to file them up
That's
for
why
me
I said
because what is
now.
now? I realize, I realize.
I'm sorry, because I come hard for my client.
Happy
I
nice,
think
boss.
Ivany have a picture of me in a underpants naked and it's like a sex
Oh
clip.
my God, of God, Nazareth.
Yes, it's a
We're going to
nasty
take a break.
It's a rock.
RT, this gone back, bossy. You know me, say one RT boss. You have to go back now. This a come from way back.
Go
So you
back.
have to go way back.
This is gonna need like a 2 year.
You
Court
have
of
to
go there
wait
for 2
for
years.
your evidence now.
Cheese
So
in us
we
use
ask
our
you,
comments.
how much time
Yeah,
you want?
it's been a